Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin now, confirm the Azure Latch model and firmware, and note the serial number so you can revert if needed. Put on an anti-static strap and prepare Torx T6 plus a small brush. Have distilled water ready only if cleaning. Back up the latch configuration and record the current state so you can compare after changes. Once done, power down following the manufacturer sequence. Make sure to document each disassembly step with photos for an easier reassembly later. You now focus on the core procedure. Remove the cover screws in sequence and keep each screw labeled so reassembly matches. Inspect internal gears, the solenoid and contact points. Clean light corrosion with a brush and 90% alcohol and dry thoroughly. Adjust the latch tension screw in small increments, 1/8 turn, and test actuation after every change to observe behavior. Once you detect smooth engagement, make sure wiring connectors are seated. If electronic, reflash firmware only when mechanical operation is stable. You finish by reassembling in reverse order, torquing screws to specification and verifying seals for dust or moisture. Run a full functional test, manual engagement, remote actuation, and multiple time cycles while logging results to confirm consistent operation. If something fails, isolate electrical versus mechanical causes. Disconnect power and attempt manual actuation, then swap a known good solenoid or controller module to test quickly. Finally, make sure to update the configuration backup with the new working state and note.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.